marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Volusia, Brevard County, Line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles east of Playland Beach, moving south at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent cloud-to-water lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck and, if possible, avoid ungrounded metal objects. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. The forecast for the Melbourne NOAA Weather Radio. Listen.